So those that are here for the first time, I'm Bekka and I'm here to empower you with knowledge of a natural health lifestyle. And today, as you can see, we're going for another walk at one of my favorite trails. So let's go see what we have available for us today, a month after the previous walk that I'll have the card up here so you can compare. So let's get started on our walk. Here's a plant I recognize up here. This right here, in a couple of months, will have flowers on the top. This is Goldenrod. It's so tiny right now. Oh, I'm finding the remnants of a poor little Cleaver there. She's not looking too good. I think she says she's tired. But I'm sure we will find all sorts of other things. So here's a plant for us. This is Yellow Dock, or also known as Curley Dock. There's another one right there, another one right there. So the last couple of videos I've done some talking about dewberry, and it is right here. It is done blooming, and you might be able to see the little berries starting to produce. To the attentive eye, each moment of the year has its own beauty, and in the same field it beholds every hour a picture which has never been seen before and which shall never be seen again. Ralph Waldo Emerson. Here's a plant that you might recognize from your childhood. It's honeysuckle. Who remembers grabbing its sweet flower and sucking the nectar out of it as a child? I know I do. Here's a plant that you don't get to see very often. It is called Clematis. This plant right here, it needed such a beautiful flower. I love using this for emotional work. There's the leaves. Look at that. We got the berries of the hackberry tree starting to produce. A beautiful plant for us, the Plantain. Here's a plant down here that we've talked about before, the Lyre Leaf Sage, and it's fixing to bloom, so let's check it out. As you can see, the telltale leaves of the Lyre Leaf Sage, and then we've got the flower stalk starting to grow, and there'll be little bitty flowers out of each one of those little pods. Just a wee little bit. Here's an herb we've talked about before. Here's Plantain putting on her little seed pods. And any of those that have ever bought psyllium from the store, you're buying the shells of the seeds of the plantain. Interesting to know, isn't it? So here's a stand of plants that you will start seeing just about everywhere at this time of year. And this is the crownbeard. Let's check it out. Look at this interesting stalk. See how it has wings? Pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, and there is a plant that you may not recognize as a viable plant because she is dormant at the moment. And no, I'm not referring to the live oak. I'm referring to the fern that is growing on or I should say sleeping on the branches of the live oak, and that is Resurrection Fern. That fern will come back to life when we finally get a good amount of rain. So there you go. We are at the end of our walk, and as you can see, there is still a tremendous amount of growth going on in just about any location. So get out there and check it out. I will talk with you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Bye.